Hey everybody, welcome to my fictitious laboratory, where today we're going to be looking at stink bug eggs. So let's get started. Here is an example of what the eggs looked like before I collected them. However, mine were found on the side of a tree. This is the egg magnified at 40 times its original size, and you may notice the top has a structure that looks almost like a trap door. This trap door is perforated for the baby stink bug to hatch out of when it's ready. Here is the trapdoor magnified at 100 times its original size. The top of these eggs also have a nutrient sac that attracts ants to collect the eggs, where the stink bugs will hatch from within an ant hill safely. Here is an open egg at 40 times magnification. Notice the structures on the inside of the egg. This was particularly interesting to me as these protein structures allow for the egg to supply oxygen to the cells inside. However, they create an eggshell that is so strong, it was actually difficult to open even while using a pair of pliers. These structures are shown here at 100 times magnification and are comprised of 6 to 8 protein groupings making up these pores. It's tiny, intricate structures like this that make me enjoy microscopy more and more, being able to look down the microscope and see a hidden world waiting to be discovered. I would like to add that these insects are invasive and harmful to many crops and wildlife in my area, which is one reason that I collected one of the eggs for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next in the comments below.